Ever pondered the potential of microcap crypto coins in 2023? Could they be your ticket to a financial breakthrough? As the digital age unfolds, these under-the-radar virtual currencies are emerging as hidden treasures in the vast landscape of cryptocurrency. They're small, they're nimble, and they hold the promise of high returns. But like any treasure hunt, the journey is filled with uncertainty and excitement. Dive with us into the intriguing world of microcap crypto coins and their potential for high returns. You might ask, what are microcap crypto coins? Well, grab a seat and listen closely. Picture a bustling city of cryptocurrencies. The towering skyscrapers are your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other big players. Now, look closer. In the shadow of these giants, you'll find smaller, less-known buildings. These are your microcap crypto coins. They're the newcomers, the underdogs, the dark horses. They have smaller market capitalizations, meaning less money has been invested in them. But here's the twist. Because they're smaller, they have the potential to grow much faster and offer higher returns than the behemoths of the crypto world. Imagine investing in a small startup that becomes the next Google. That's the allure of microcap crypto coins. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. These coins are more volatile and less predictable. In essence, microcap crypto coins offer a tantalizing prospect of higher returns, but they also come with their own set of risks. Now that we've unearthed the concept of microcap crypto coins, it's time to delve into the key points we've discussed. Microcap crypto coins, essentially the hidden gems of the crypto world, are gaining traction for their potential to deliver sky-high returns. These coins, often overlooked due to their small market capitalization, have the potential to experience exponential growth, offering investors the tantalizing prospect of a moonshot investment. But like any other high-return potential investment, they come with their fair share of risks. The volatility of these coins can be extreme, and the lack of liquidity can potentially lead to challenges when it comes to buying or selling significant volumes. Furthermore, the smaller the coin, the higher the chance it could be a target for manipulation, a risk that is not to be taken lightly. This is why conducting thorough research before investing is non-negotiable. Understanding the coin's use case, the team behind it, and its roadmap can provide valuable insights into its potential for growth. Additionally, keeping an eye on the overall market sentiment can help gauge the right time to invest. But remember, diversification is key. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in microcap coins should be a part of a well-diversified portfolio, tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember, the world of microcap crypto coins is enticing, but it requires a keen eye and a well-informed mind. Stay informed, stay savvy, and who knows, you might just find your moonshot in 2023.